So now guys, I will assume that I would like to put here between these attributes, between this information, a material. So it means book material, and usually the book material is a paper, correct? So it means you can do that like this. You will put here material, okay, like this, and after that we need to put there a value, okay? So it means it goes exactly the same like these attributes, like these values. So here I would put here paper, okay, paper and paper. So here I need to say how I will approach the material, and how we said self material is equal to material, because usually the names are the same in real life code. So here you can put here book 1 material, okay, book 2 material, and book 3 material, okay, like this. Because here we have paper, it's a fourth attribute, like this, material, and I said, okay, I will call it the name of the object and dot material. So book 1 material, book 2 material, and book 3. I will run it, and you can see everything, it's perfect. Paper, paper, paper. But maybe you can say, okay, but every book is a material like paper, correct? So it is very necessary to put it here, because I need to write paper in every single object which I will create according to this class. So you don't have to do that, okay? So you can erase this here. You say, no, I will not put it here, but if I will use the class book and I will call the class book, so it means the self.material will be paper, okay? And if I will run it, it goes exactly the same, okay? Paper, 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 and you can see no error here. So it means if you have some attribute which the value is clear, and the value will be the same all the time for all the object, you can put it right here with the value. You don't need to put the values here, because it's a waste of the time, correct? Because you need to write a paper to every single book, and if we will have for example 1000 book, so it means you would need to put here a paper and paper and paper and paper and so on and so on. But the paper is the same for every book, correct? So we put it here like this. So guys, I hope you understand.